Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, what we were once dealing with on this landscape was an area that was immediately being deteriorated by the amount of erosion that was happening. That was simply because we were on a hillside. No longer are we on a hillside. We've been able to put this 2-tier retaining wall system in that's allowed for this customer to be able to get the maximum on their landscape. Now, in addition to that, as you can see, guys, I got that beautiful Zoysia Sod up there. That's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscapes. As your landscape drainage expert, check out the way I put in this beautiful landscape drainage design that allowed for me to be able to take the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard, be able to take it up under this corrugated piping system within a 20-inch drain box and allow for it to release itself off the backside of the property. These are just some of the ways in which we come up with landscape transformations that are absolutely solving our customers' landscape for a lifetime, and it's giving them a solution they can count on. And that's what we do right here at Brooks Landscape. We give you a solution you can count on based on the solution, based on the thought process of what we create. And that's what we've done for this customer. That's what we look to do for you.